How to fix back tap not working in iPhone. Let's get right into the tutorial. The first and foremost thing that you can do is remove the iPhone phone case. Thick and rugged case might be the reason for back tap to not work at times, so make sure your iPhone case is not very thick. Remove the case and see if the back tap works or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Under physical and motor, you will see the option for touch. Tap on that, and on the bottom you will see the option for back tap. Tap on that now. Make sure you have enabled both the double tap and triple tap correctly. If it is set to none, then back tap will not work. Also, make sure your iPhone software update is up to date, since BackTap does not work in older version. To check if you have any update or not, in Settings, tap on General and then on Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.